Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, you know when you think you are trying to move on with your life, sana kuvele isigaxa esikhulu. You know, as we all know, Chidimma Adetshina was no longer in South Africa. She went there and won Miss Nigeria, Miss Universe Nigeria last year, ne? Because she was eliminated from the competition yaga Miss South Africa. So Kesana Ugel, I think she stayed there for a while and then she decided to come back to South Africa. Oh, she was spotted in Cape Town. After being spotted in Cape Town, I'm not sure if the police were still doing their investigations or vele kuvuke investigation after that. But Kesana, after being spotted in Cape Town, kwaqaliwa-ke mthana kwenziwa ama-researches and then they found her mom, Annabella Rungo. Annabella is originally from Mozambique, guys, and we were lied to kuthiwa she's from South Africa. She is not. She's from Mozambique. So after she was spotted in Cape Town, Kesana, the investigations started, and the mother was detained in Cape Town, you know. So I'm sure naye nje uChidimma nje uyazisola ukuthi bengiyaphi sana eCape Town, bengiyaphi. But the mom was detained in Cape Town, and this is the statement that was released by Home Affairs. It says, to all media or news editors, it was released on the 15th of February. On the 15th. Oh, so kesana kuthiwa ke Home Affairs detains Miss Chidimma Adetshina's mother in Cape Town. Investigators from the Department of Home Affairs, assisted by the South African Police Service, this morning detained Miss Annabella Rungo, the mother of Chidimma Adetshina, at a property in Cape Town. The department withdrew Miss Rungo's South African documents in September 2024 after finding that it had been fraudulently obtained, rendering her ineligible to continue residing in South Africa in an apparent act of brazen disregard for the legal consequences of her conduct. It appears that Miss Rungo has defied her undesirable status through her Mozambican passport. Investigations are ongoing into further potential misinterpretation and fraudulent conduct. During this operation this morning, investigators from the Counter-Corruption and Integration Services branches of the department also found Adetshina's underage child residing with Rungo. After being processed by Home Affairs over her apparent illegal continued residence in South Africa, Ms. Rungo will be handed over to the SAPS, as she is also the subject of an ongoing investigation by the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation. Home Affairs is further liaising with the Department of Social Development and the SAPS Child Protection Unit as it relates to protecting the interest of the underage child. The department will provide further updates at opportune moments. No interviews will be taken on this matter at this stage. So guys, this is a statement that was released by Home Affairs regarding this issue yaga mama ka Chidimma Adetshina. You know, Chidimma Adetshina, I know la akhona nje ugel uyazisola ukuthi why did I go back to South Africa? Like ugel nje can't be free and doing stuff like that, you know. And manje her being spotted in Cape Town has also made the police to find the mother in Cape Town. You know, I think maybe they followed her around and saw where she was living. I'm not sure. Even the child now is at stake because kuthiwa they are involving child protection tontoni. So it is going down. Just when you think everything is over, sana kuvele kuvele okunye nje kuningi at this point for her. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.